Hello, fellow primates. My name is Fabio Crepaldi, and I'm a researcher at the University of Portsmouth in the UK, where I study nonverbal communication in great apes. More specifically, I'm interested in how we evolved such a complex and flexible way of communicating even before the emergence of spoken language. And as there are no alive ancestors today, unfortunately, the best thing to do is to look at how our closest relatives do it with a focus on facial expressions. Now, the amount of information that can be exchanged in this way is simply staggering. From affiliative messages to hostile ones, from requesting consolation to illicit collaboration, and even going through the ability to deceive and lie. By looking how apes perform these tasks while they navigate their very complex social life, we will learn more about our use of nonverbal communication, examining what we have in common and what is considered uniquely human. The aim of the module is eventually to become more aware of both how and how much information we are delivering, consciously and unconsciously, and how the perception of each other is influenced by the nonverbal component. Because in the end, the interpretation of a sentence can dramatically switch meaning with a simple asymmetric smile, or even just with the rise of an eyebrow. And effective leaders should be aware and take into account the way their messages are delivered, received, and interpreted.